This well-known poem is about making choices, and the choices that shape us. Robert Frost is an American poet who writes simply but insightfully about common ordinary experiences. The first stanza of the poem is: Two roads diverged in a yellow wood. I'm sorry I could not travel both. And we one traveller, long I stood and looked down as far as I could to where it bent in the undergrowth. Means two roads were there in front of him in a yellow wood. Why the wood is called yellow? Just because that wood was not green, even though the wood means jungle. The jungle was not full of greenery. It is yellow, as the spring season must not be going on. The autumn season was there, and there were two roads there that was differently going. One is left side, and one second is the right side. And sorry I could not travel both. He's saying sorry to himself, and he was saying कि I am not able to travel both on both the roads at the same time, as nobody can do. And be one traveler long I stood, just because he was standing over there, because he was only one, and he has to choose only one of the road, and look down one as far as I could. And he was just looking for that uh, um, that road where on which road he has to go. Right. To where it bent it and in the undergrowth. Like to where which road he would select, and he would go on that road as far as he could see, that he can bend and he can see the conditions of both of the roads. Now the second stanza, then took the other just as fair. Then he has taken the other one, he has taken it like the fair one, means neat and clean one, and having perhaps the better claim. Means here the better claim, better means very less person has gone over there, because it was grassy and wanted wear. It is full of grass, and maybe very less person have walked on that road. Then that road is there which is full of grass, and the people walked on that, then it means it becomes it does not have any more grass. Though as for that was passing there, had warned them really about the same. And means like that person that who has gone over there, it was looking like very less person have passed from that road, had warned them really about the same. But both the morning equally lay in leaves, no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day. Now he was thinking ki like both on both of the roads, the equally morning is going on. In leaves, no step had trodden black. Means there were no step marks are there. Oh, I kept the first for another day. Now he was thinking that that road is common one that I had kept for the another time. Yet knowing how way leads on to way, means who will be, it would be going to the way. We don't know ki whether it would meet each other afterwards or where they are going. I doubted if I should ever come back. Now he was having the doubt ki maybe I should start on this road and I have to come back. I shall be telling this with a sigh. He was taking a sigh. Sigh means long breath. And he was telling this thing. Somewhere ages and ages hence. Ages means बहुत सारा time हो जाना, means युगों तक. कहीं ना कहीं बहुत युग हो गए. Two roads diverged in a wood. Two roads are separated in a wood, and I took the one less travelled by. And he has taken that road which was less travelled by the other persons, and that has made all the difference. Means just because of that only, a lot means a difference is there. That is Robert Frost, his own experience. Like we should have to do the work which is not easy one. We have, if we are going to that road which is easy to go, easy to means travel, or easy to do any work, so that work is easy. We should not find out the easy things. We should have to do something new and something unique in our life. That is the main concept of this poem. Means we have to, if we want to think कि some person will remember us after our death even, so we should have to do some new work, some different work. So here we are having some of the questions. You have to write down the summary of this poem, and the questions are: where does a traveler find himself? What problem does he face? We all know कि but where he was finding himself, he was standing in a yellow wood. And what was the problem he was facing? The problem was कि like means he was having two roads in front of him, and which one he will choose, that was the problem. Discuss what these phrases mean to you. A yellow wood. Yellow wood means that means conditions were not so good, means in our life when we have to select one thing, one stream we have to select, one path we have to select, then that means that condition of our mind was not good. It was grassy and wanted wear. The passing here leaves no step had trodden black. How way leads on to the way. Is there any difference between the two roads that is poem described in two stanza, in the stanza 2 and 3, the last two lines of the poem? Means you have to write down. What do you think the last two lines of the poem? Looking back, does the poet regret his choice or accept it? What does it mean? Means like if we were looking back, means he must not have regret कि like he has chose that one, that accept that one only. He should not feel कि बाद में पछतावा नहीं होना चाहिए. Have you ever had made a difficult choice, or do you think that will have difficult choices to make? How will you make the choices? For what reasons? After you have made a choice, do you always think what you have might have been, or do accept the reality? करने के बाद हम सोचते हैं कि that is the best choice from my side, or you have accepted it in reality even. So that was the poem. You have to write down the summary and the question answers of this poem. We will just discuss the answers and the summary of the poem later on. We'll just give you the photo clicks of that. Thank you.